Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So today I am here with a very special find that I have gotten recently, and that is the MGA MiniVerse Make It Mini Food Multi-Pack. Yes, try saying that 5 times fast. But I got this pack from the LOL Surprise website, and I had seen some other videos on YouTube from some creators that I watch pretty consistently, and they were going over either the cafe and diner series 2 that had come out. I also saw that they have a Make It lifestyle ball that is coming out with the little mini blind bags as well, where you can get plants and candles and pets, I believe. And then they also have a kitchen, guys. Yes, they have created a kitchen for the MGA MiniVerse that actually includes its own little UV light with a timer where you can make your little Make It Mini Foods in your little mini food kitchen. So while I was looking at all of these videos, I also ran across this multi-pack, and instantly I was like, I am going to get that. One of the first things that I really appreciated about this is that I do like the blind balls, but y'all know it's trial or error. You're not guaranteed to find what you want. You have to kind of keep spending. So I give myself a budget, because y'all know I am super cheap. So I give myself a budget on stuff like this so that I'm not just spending. So probably no more than 5 to 10 balls probably I will, buy and see what I get. But other than that, kind of like, I don't put too much money into them, especially when they're blind balls, because you're not guaranteed to find exactly what you want. So I loved the idea of this multi-pack because it came with 5 different recipes. You also get some surprises down here that I am going to leave as a true surprise for you all to find out on your own. So in this pack, you get a little bit of variety of everything. So it starts with, you get a cereal with some almond milk and a bowl and a spoon. These are marshmallow O's, so they have 2 different designs in there. Super cute. Then you have another breakfast food right here, which is strawberry banana waffles. I absolutely love it. I love the little breakfast concept. And it also comes with beautiful bananas and strawberries, and I'll show y'all how they look here in a second. You also get a pizza. And I know my box is kind of covering this up a little bit, but you get a pizza. This is a Hawaiian pizza, which is my absolute favorite kind of pizza, which is another reason why I liked the idea of this multi-pack. You also get some spumani sundae. I'm probably saying that wrong, so if I am, forgive. But it comes with ice cream, and it's like just a little chocolate sundae, but I love the little ice creams that came with it. And then the last one you get is a pink lemonade. So this is the pink lemonade. I think it is a little big to be just a drink for the dolls, but I thought it is kind of the perfect size to be maybe a pitcher. So maybe this is out on the table for Sunday tea, and you can just pour you a cup of pink lemonade. But anyway, so I really did like this pack. I like the idea of being able to get some items that I was guaranteed to kind of get a couple of things that I wanted. And with these, I also like the fact that you can use them together. You can put the resin in them. You can make them the little foods, or you can do like me and a lot of other people that I've seen. You can maybe make a little bit of it out of the items that you're using and keep items for extra. So for this set, honestly, I am only going to make 2 of these. I've actually already made the 2 that I'm going to make, and that is the lemonade. I love it. Has little lemons inside, and then it has little like basil and mint leaves. I loved that one, so of course I wanted to make that with the ice cubes. And then the second one that I made is, of course, the Hawaiian pizza. I just think it's so cute, and it does come with this little pizza box that fits the pizza, and you can close it in there. So this is super adorable. It really is. The box doesn't stay closed that well, but we're not going to stress about it. So I really like this set. Again, I like the fact that I can get multiple things. This set was also only $30 on the LOL Surprise website. So you all know that the Diner Series balls run $9.99 and the Cafe Series runs about $6.99. So This to me is kind of a blend of both. You have the cereal, which I believe was in the cafe series last time. You have the pink lemonade, that's kind of a cafe series. But I do kind of think of this as more of a diner level box. So I'm looking at the fact that I spent $30 to get 5 different recipes versus spending $50 to get 5 blind surprises that I may not actually get what I want. So I would highly recommend that you take a look at this set, and I'm going to show you just a few of the pieces. I'm not going to go through all of them, but just a few of the pieces that it comes with and how I have it set up here at the table. Yeah, I don't know why I had to pause right there. I had to think for a second. So starting out, we have the cutest. These are the ham slices for the pizza. And then we had extra, and I dropped it, of course, but we had extra of the pineapple left over. So I thought that was nice. The sundae I thought was adorable, but y'all, I actually did not put this one together. So these are just kind of sitting up there to make it for the scene, and it actually holds pretty well. You see, I just moved that and like nothing fell, but you can see it's literally just sitting up there. There we go. And then we have the whipped cream containers that we got last time, but this of course is a new one. You have the whipped cream with the cherries on top. It does come with an ice cream carton. I really like this. I think it is so cute for playtime in the dollhouse. And the final thing that I'm going to show you is just something that I think they really have worked on with the level of detail in this, and that is the strawberries. So if you all can see, again, I just have those kind of sitting up there, but the very top of the strawberry, it shows that it has been cut off, and it actually has the paint there where it looks like you have cut the strawberry top off. I thought this, I mean, this level of detail in this is super cute. Super cute. Also, this cereal comes with almond milk instead of regular milk, since they did regular milk last time, and I thought that was great. I know a lot of people enjoy almond milk, so you can really start to build a good food collection for your dollhouse that really does represent the type of food that you like with getting types of items like this. So again, I highly recommend you all check this out if you're liking the MiniVerse. These are 5 different recipes. You're spending $30. You're guaranteed to get everything that's in here. And there are a couple of surprises. Again, I'm going to leave that as a surprise for you all. But I think this set is really good. I think you get a lot in there. You get some fruits. You get some little extras like little chocolate chips. You get the cereal. The ice cream scoops are adorable. Like, that is all I can say. The ice cream scoops look so realistic, and I also love the dishes, which is another reason why I'm not going to make all of these, because I would like to keep some of the bowls and the plates, you know, loose so I can use them for other things. But y'all, super over the moon about this one. I also did get some MiniVerse lifestyle balls. I got 2 of those. I got 2 of the cafe, and I got 2 of the diner series that have recently come out, and I was overjoyed with the things that I got. I didn't get most of my want list, but what I did get actually turned out to be so cute and so adorable. So I will be doing another video on those. I think I'm gonna break it out, do one for the lifestyle, one for the cafe, and one for the diner series, or I may put them all together since I've already done this one separate. I don't know, we'll see. But I do recommend y'all take a look at this one. I think the price is pretty good for this. I like the fact that they are expanding what it is that we're getting with this, with adding in the lifestyle series and some multi-pack, so we can kind of see and be guaranteed to get certain things. And I am super excited to see what MGA is getting ready to come out with next as we continue to build this collection. So I have been talking on for almost 10 minutes, and I don't want this video to be too long. So thank y'all for visiting the Curated Dollhouse. This is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Y'all are welcome anytime in the Curated Dollhouse, and we will be back next week with a whole new video and a whole new concept. Bye, y'all.